everyone, I am so excited to finally show you a sneak peek of my new book, Crochet Acquired Book. The pattern contains 6 interactive designs you can make for your little ones. Each page is a new adventure from a buzzing bee to a friendly puppy, all designed to be a sensory experience for babies. These patterns use simple stitches and have detailed photos to help you every step of the way, so it's perfect for both beginners and experienced crocheters. It's a great project for using up yarn scraps and creating a beautiful personalized gift that will be cherished for years. So let me walk you through the entire book and I will show you each page and why it was made. So we start with the contents. Here you can see how to read the pattern, the materials. You have a QR code that shows you how to crochet the stitches, the yarn quantities, and now page 1, the fluffy sheep. This one here has a fluffy body and the child can play with it. It's got a sensory feel to it. It's really nice to touch. Then we move to the second page, which is the speedy duck. This duck moves up and down the page. It's really fun to play with and it was really fun to make as well. Now our page 3 is the happy horse, and here kids can play with the mane. They can braid the mane. It's really nice to touch. They can just run their fingers through the hairs. This is one of the 2 pages I designed. So it's this flower that it's to one side, and then we have the beehive to the other side. And these flowers are designed so the bees can go inside the flowers and get the honey. And then it moves to the next page, and this is where the bees will bring back the honey. This is the most complicated of them all, but it's really not complicated. It's got 3D flowers, 3D leaves, and then the bees go inside to one side of the beehive. It's a really fun page to make and to use. And the bees can go in a flower and then back into the hive, and a child can play like that on and on and on. So now we move on to the last page. Oh yeah, these are the bees. Cute bees. You can make as many as you like. I've made 3. And the last page is actually the dog, the sleepy dog. The ears move up and down. They cover the eyes or not. They are made with bubble stitches, so they're really nice to touch, especially if you use a fluffy yarn. And now I'm showing you all the pages. You have the assembly section. This is how you connect them. In this section I'll show you step by step. I forgot to show you the page with a QR code. You have page by page book assembly, so I show you on video how to connect each page, how to sew all the pieces, and how to connect the pages to turn it into a book. So that is in there as well. And of course at the end about the author. Hi, that's me. And yeah, I hope you enjoy as much as I enjoy designing it. This can be a whole project, or you can just make one page. It's all up to you. It's for everybody, for beginners, for experienced crocheters. You can use your yarn scraps. Don't use the same colors. Use whatever you have around. You don't have to get special yarns. It's the shapes that create the fun part of this book. It's not the yarn. But of course, you can choose whatever yarn you like. I hope you enjoyed it. It's now, like I said, available on Amazon. You can buy it as a paperback or as a Kindle version. And I can't wait to see what you're gonna make with it. Happy crocheting!